Garlic has long been known as a medicinal agent. Indeed, ancient medical texts from China, Greece, Rome, and Egypt show that garlic can be used to treat a variety of health problems. It is also widely used in natural remedies due to its vital nutrients and healing properties. One of garlic's lesser-known benefits is that it can help with hair loss and promote hair growth. It has antibacterial properties that eliminate all types of bacteria buildup on your scalp. This is extremely common during the monsoon season and in humid weather. If you sweat a lot, you're more likely to get bacterial scalp infections. As a result, using garlic oil is an effective treatment. Garlic oil also contains antiviral, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties that can protect the scalp from viral and fungal infections. This causes crusted dandruff, which can exacerbate severe hair infection and damage. Garlic oil contains sulfur, which has been shown to increase the production of keratin protein, which is responsible for hair growth. Several studies have shown that massaging your scalp with garlic oil can help reduce hair loss and breakage. This eventually leads to hair growth. Garlic oil is simple to make at home. Simply follow these steps. Crush garlic cloves or make garlic paste. Add garlic paste to a pan. Roast it for a few minutes. 1 cup coconut or olive oil should be added to the garlic paste. For 5 minutes, heat the oil over a low flame. Turn off the gas and allow the oil to cool. Once finished, pour it into a bottle or jar. To get the most out of it, apply oil to your hair twice a week. If overnight oiling is not possible, leave the oil on for at least 2 to 3 hours before shampooing. Garlic oil can be extremely beneficial to the hair. However, if you are allergic to garlic, you should avoid using it.